and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and this morning we're going to show you a very simple case of crowns on a mini and a mono implant at number 13 and 14. In this case, we combined one mono and one mini implant. So I'm going to show you first we're going to show you the patient's mouth. You can see where we have the two implants. The mono at number 13 and the mini at number 14. We had a little more bone at number 13, so we put a little bigger implant in there. And if you look here at the x-ray, you can see we used a very short mini, a 10 millimeter mini at number 14 and a large mono at number 13. Both implants are nice and solid, as you can see. And our lab did a beautiful job. Here's our digital model. And here's the restoration with the crowns at 13 and 14. So I'm going to go ahead and cement these. I've already tried them in already. So we're going to use the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T resin cement. Go ahead and cement these crowns. And go ahead and seating them. I'm going to have her bite together and just hold that for a few minutes. And we'll clean up the cement and we'll show you the finished product in just a minute.
Open. Turn this up.
Good. And bite together. Open. Bite. Open. Bite. Open. Bite. Open. Hitting a little heavy there. Let's do a little bit of adjustment. Is there CT up?
It is, but it's not surgical.
Not what?
It's not a new one.
Okay, I just wanted to show the extra implant to the bottom that we did. She also had implants on the lower, pretty much all the way around. Bite together. Open, bite. Open, still hitting a little heavy. Bite together. Open. Just doing a little fine tuning of the occlusion. And bite again. Open, bite. Open, bite. Open. And bite again. Open, bite. Hold it. Open. Hold it together. Open. Bite again. Open. One thing we don't want is to have heavy occlusion. Always better to be light occlusion than heavy on implants. So I'm just fine tuning the bite a little bit. Bite again.
And remember, please join us for our 2-day one-piece mini and mono implant training seminar we have coming up on April 17th and April 18th. This course will be held in the beautiful Palm Beach Gardens, Florida at the Sand Hill Crane Golf Club. Here you can earn up to 14 CE credits and listen to one-piece implant lectures by Dr. Todd Shatkin, Dr. Jared Shatkin, and you'll also hear from Dr. Ronald Petrosky at Mini Dental Implant Centers of America in Tuckerton, New Jersey. Dr. Petrosky is going to lecture on the art of full arch dentistry utilizing one-piece mono implants. In his lecture, you'll learn proven clinical protocols for predictable outcomes, step-by-step strategies from real full arch cases, evidence-based clinical studies supporting the one-piece approach, and simplified workflows for long-term success. We have 2 weeks until the event, so please call today to reserve your spot.